Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial of this HTML tutorial series for beginners. In this tutorial series we are going to have a look on some basic text tags. So let's start with h1 tag. As you can see, I have opened the h1 tag and I am now going to close this h1 tag. So what is h1 tag? H1 tag, you can say that it is a main heading of any content or any article. So I am going to say main heading. I have again saved this file after writing my text by using Ctrl S. Let's see what we have in this file when we open this file in the browser. So here we have our first web page and I'm going to open this. As you can see that we have a very bold and large size text here, which is main heading. Okay, so now let's have a look at h2 tag. Now as you can see that when I press enter, my cursor goes to the start of the line, but I want my cursor to have some space from the left side. How I can do that? I can simply press a single tab and now my cursor is here. Now why I am doing this? Because I want my code to be easily read. If I am not having any kind of space on the left side, then my code will be together and it will become very difficult to read the code. So this system or this tabbing is called indentation. I will always suggest to have your code indented so that your code becomes easy to read and it does not create any hassle for some other developers or some other person to read your code. So now I am going to use h2 tag. I open this h2 tag and now I am going to close this h2 tag. Now again we have some text here like main heading number 2. Okay, so I have saved this file again using Ctrl S. Now I am going to now I am going to refresh this page. After refreshing, I am having a second heading or some text smaller than the main heading, which is heading number 2. So this main heading number 2 has came from this main heading number 2, which is an h2 tag. And same, I am going to use h3 tag. I open the h3 tag and I am going to close h3 tag now. Here I am going to say main heading number 3. I am again going to save this file. I have saved this file and let's see what we have in browser now. So after refreshing this page, we have main heading number 3 here. So main heading number 3 here. So this text is smaller than this text and this text is smaller than this text, which is an hierarchy, and we now know the reason why this is h1, this is h2 and this is h3. h1 is larger, h2 is smaller and h3 is till now smallest. And we also have h4, which will be main heading number 4. Okay, so let's see what we have in browser now. This heading is smaller than this heading. Okay, now we are finished with some heading tags. Let's have a look at some basic text tags like the b tag. As name of the tag suggests, it is a bold tag. This will make our text bold. This is a bold text. I save this file and I go to the browser and I refresh this, and here we have, this is a bold text. Okay, now have a look at some italic tag. Sorry, only I is enough. Closing I tag, and this is an italic text. I am going to save this file. Let's have a look at browser what we have here. So this is an italic text. Now if I want to put this file on the next line, because this is a bold text and this is an italic text, are on sides of each other, I do not want that. What I can do, I can simply put a br tag here. Now what is this br tag? This br refers to break. Break means break the line and go on to the next line. So this break tag will break the line and put this complete tag on the next line. So let me save this file first and let's have a look in the browser. As you can see that now we have, this is an italic text on the next line. Let's say we want to add an underline text. Now again we will put a break tag here, and this is a special tag. As you can see that we have opened this tag and we have not closed this tag. So in here we are going to use an underline tag. This is an underline text. So let's save this file and let's see what we have in our browser. And this is our next line and we are seeing that this is an underline text. Okay, so what else is remaining? We are done with bold, italics, underline, and I guess these tags are enough regarding to some text tags. In the next tutorial we will be having a look at how we can use different images in our HTML files and how and what kind of images we can import in our HTML file and what special kind of tags are used for image files. So till next tutorial, take care of your health and be happy, and I will see you in the next tutorial.